Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, in this video I am not going to explain any kind of topic. Now you must be wondering that if I am not going to explain any kind of topic, then what I am going to do. So don't be wondered, okay guys. In this video I am going to unpick or unbox those things which I have bought for this channel, right? Before I didn't have such things or some things to use for this channel. Now I have already bought them and I am going to show them to you guys. Before I didn't use video maker stand, but now alhamdulillah I have bought that. So now after this I will use that, or I will use video maker stand to make videos. So let me show that video maker stand to you guys. See, here it is. Before I didn't have this one. I didn't use any video with video maker stand, but after this I will use this video maker stand to make videos. It's not that expensive. It's not that expensive because my channel is not yet successful. So I just bought a cheaper one. It's fair, or it's pretty good to make videos with. You can see. Its height is just 4 feet. Just 4 feet. It's not enough for my videos, but I'm adjusting to make videos with it. Yes, see, you can see. This is a video maker stand that I bought. Is this clear, guys? So now after this and after this video I will use this stand to make videos. Is this clear, guys? So the other things that I bought, a lot of people were saying to me that you should use one dress or t-shirt, right, to make videos, not this kind of dress or different dresses. So then I thought, why shouldn't I buy some t-shirts, right? So then I bought 2 t-shirts. So let me show them to you. See, I haven't unpacked them because I wanted to show you guys that I will unpick in front of you guys. So I bought 2 t-shirts and I want to unpick them in front of you guys. So see the first one. In next videos I will use these shirts, right? You will see me in these shirts. See, this is the first one. I hope it will suit on me and it will look nice on me. I think so. And see the second one. Wow, it looks really beautiful, isn't it? See, I will use these shirts to make videos, inshallah. And if you guys support me, then I will buy more t-shirts because I spend a lot of money for you guys to make good videos for you people. So now it is your duty to support me. I deserve to be supported, right? So please come on guys, subscribe to the channel, so that I will make more videos and good videos to you guys. So these 2 shirts are bought today. I bought them just today. So I wanted to show you guys that how they are looking and how well they suit on me. Okay guys, so now the most important thing is that I have a really small whiteboard. This whiteboard is not enough for my topics, right? Because I have lengthy topics, so I cannot take a lot of retakes and videos. So I thought, why shouldn't I buy a bigger one? I mean bigger whiteboard. So guys, I bought that as well. Here you can see. Let us unbox the whiteboard that I bought. See, this is a whiteboard that I bought for this channel. And why did I buy this? I got this because I want to make good videos for you people, so that you will understand easily and you will learn something from it, right? So I spend a lot of money, that I haven't spent that money, right? But now I think it is your duty to support me, and maybe I deserve it to be supported. So please guys, support me to spend more money for you guys to buy something for this channel and make this channel bigger and successful. So these were the things that I bought for this channel, and I unboxed them in front of you guys. Now you can ask me, or you can drop a comment that which thing is good or which thing is looking better. How these t-shirts will be looking on me. So it will be decided in next video, because I am going to wear one of them in next video. So I cannot choose one of them because both are very good, aren't they? So now I'm going to leave it on you guys. Tell me in comment that which shirt should I use in next video, whether this one, white one, or this one. So I will be waiting for your comment so that I will select one, or I should wear one in your choice. Is this clear, guys? So this was the end of video. Now I hope you have seen all the things and maybe you like some of them, right? So drop a comment in a comment section and tell me which thing did you like and what should I do more for this channel, right? I want your opinion as well. So this was the end of video. Now wait for another video. So see you in next video. Thank you so much.